Is the trial of war by law a process the citizen can trust, or is it in reality a process whereby selections of conflicts and individuals within a conflict are political or politicized decisions? Is the very law by which those selected for trial will be tried itself politicized in a way that is out of the reach of the citizen affected? Suppose the very worst of interpretations can be put on the developments of the last 20 years to which I've referred. Do we face a return to the reality explained by Shakespeare in Henry VI when Northumberland says to York just before he's killed, "It is war's prize to take all vantage, and 10 to 1 is no impeach of valour," meaning, as I take it, that not only do you have the spoils of war, but you have the privilege of writing the record. Nobody else will do it for you. I think not. And although I can provide no answers to the questions by which this lecture is titled, I would suggest that there are, in fact, immensely positive outcomes of war crimes tribunals. First, they leave an immense record of evidence that would never have come to light, or never have come to light so soon. Further, something for which the adversarial system can be praised, the evidence is usually tested in cross-examination on behalf of, or even in person by, the very person against whom the evidence is aimed in court. And future generations who may wish to abuse history for cynical purposes may be able to complain about verdicts which actually may count for far less than some people think when they're rendered, but they will have to be able to surmount a wall of more or less unbreakable evidence before they can abuse history. Second, individual nations, and many of them, have been compelled by the existence of the ICC statute to add to their own statute books laws that will cover crimes of war, just as the UK has done with genocide. Third, states involved in conflict, such as Rwanda, Serbia, Bosnia, Croatia, have found themselves conducting domestic trials for war crimes that are beyond the finite capacity of international courts to try. And this reality on the ground, together with the expectation that it should happen, adds in a very practical way to that general raised expectation of the world citizen when saying, "Send him or her to The Hague."